Khaby Lame is a Senegalese-born Italian social media personality. He is known for his TikTok videos, in which he silently mocks overly complicated life hack videos. He worked as a waiter and a car factory worker during his early days. 20 years ago, his family moved from Senegal to Italy looking for a better life. But life was hard for Khaby. He was dyslexic. He was rejected from high school and college. During the pandemic in 2020, he lost the only job that he had to make a living. With no money or job, he only had plenty of time. Khaby decided to make people laugh. So he got on social media and started making videos, and that changed his life forever. His videos were short and sweet. He made fun of complicated life tasks and simplified them. In the beginning, only 2 people watched him, his father and his neighbor. That's it. In the first month, I got only 9 views and 2 subscribers. But he didn't care. He continued to make videos. He did not talk. He kept his videos simple. Little by little, day by day, he got more followers from every country in the world. In less than 2 years, Khaby exploded. He went from 0 to 200 million followers. He entertained billions of people and made them laugh. He started making a lot of money. He has appeared in commercials for brands such as Oreo and Netflix. He has been featured in articles. The New York Times, The Wall Street Journal, and Forbes. In 2022, Lame was named the most influential person on TikTok by Time magazine. As of 2023, Khaby Lame's net worth is estimated to be around $15 million. Khaby Lame is an inspiration to everyone who wants to make it big on social media. He has shown that anyone can achieve success on social media regardless of their background. He is a reminder that simplicity and humor can achieve success in this competitive era. He has shown that anyone can be successful if they are willing to work hard and be themselves. Khaby Lame was just a factory worker before 4 years, but now he is a millionaire. You must keep doing what you want without letting other people to influence you. Believe yourself and make consistent effort. One day the world will notice you.